This paper presents an application of crowdsourced and volunteered data to augment official flood extent maps and the evaluation of transportation infrastructure. We use this method to estimate flood damage in New York City following Hurricane Sandy, using both publicly available photos and volunteered geographic data that have been vetted by industry experts. The resultant flood damage maps are used to augment an authoritative storm surge map, as well as to create a road damage map for the affected region.
This article is titled, Road Assessment After Flood Events Using Non-Authoritative Data and was authored by Schnebele, Cervone, and Waters.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.